Chapter 6 Decimals Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the purpose of using decimals, convert the fraction into decimal numbers, add, subtract, multiply and divide decimal numbers. Warm up. Observe the picture and arrange the weight in ascending order. Teacher's note: tell the student that the weight of two boys, 31.8 kg and 31.5 kg, are in decimal numbers, which is a shorthand way to write fractions and mixed numbers with denominators that are powers of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. In the previous class, we have studied about the basics of decimals: thousands, hundredth, tens, ones, decimal, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. One decimal number consists of two parts, one integer part, two decimal part. For example, 28 integer part, 0.79 decimal part. The number before the decimal is known as integer part and the number after the decimal is known as decimal part. Facts to know: decimal fraction were first developed and used by the Chinese in the late 4th century BC, then spread to the Middle East and Europe. Decimal fractions. Decimal fractions are composed of denominators like 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 50 upon 1000, etc. Decimal fraction. Decimal places. The number of digits after the decimals are known as decimal places, like decimal fractions. If two or more decimal fractions have equal number of decimal places, then they are known as like decimal fractions. Example 1, 28.50 and 12.15 are like decimal fraction. 2, 132.4, 57.2 and 28.3 are like decimal fractions. However, the number of digits in the integer part does not matter. Unlike decimal fraction, if two or more decimal fractions have unequal or different number of decimal places, then they are known as unlike decimal fractions. Example 1, 1.72, 12.814 and 128.5 are unlike decimal fractions. 2, 12.30, 13.3 and 146.125 are unlike decimal fractions. Equivalent decimal fraction. The unlike decimal fractions which are equal in value are known as equivalent decimal fractions. For example, 0.5, 0.50, 0.500, 0.5000, etc. are equivalent decimal fractions. Quick tip: substituting any number of zeros to the extreme right side of the decimal part does not change the value of a decimal number. For example, 0.29 can be written as 0.290, 0.2900, 0.29000, etc. Converting unlike decimals to like decimals. We can change the unlike decimals into like decimals by adding as many zeros as required. Solved example. Example 1. Convert 72.95, 63.2, 124.264 into like decimals. Solution. To convert above unlike decimals into like decimals, we can add as many zeros as required. 72.950, 63.200, 124.264 are like decimals. Example 2. Compare the following decimal numbers: A 23.58 and 56.29, B 17.29 and 17.27. Solution: A 23.58 and 56.29. Let us first compare integer parts. So 23 is less than 56. 23.58 is less than 56.29. B 17.29 and 17.27. Let us first compare integer part. 17 is equals to 17. Now we will compare decimal part. 29 is greater than 27. 17.29 is greater than 17.27. Converting fractions to decimal numbers. Step 1. Count the number of zeros in the denominator following 1. Step 2. Count an equal number of places in the numerator starting from the ones place digit and then place the decimal. Example 3. Convert the following fraction into decimal numbers. A. 7 upon 10. B. 5007 upon 100. C. 60 upon 1000. D. 2017 upon 10. Solution. A. 7 upon 10 is equals to 0.7. B. 5007 upon 100 is equals to 50.07. C. 60 upon 1000 is equals to 0.60. D. 2017 upon 10 is equals to 201.7. Converting decimal numbers into a fractional number. Step 1. Write the given number in the numerator without decimal or point. Step 2. Write 1 in the denominator followed by as many zeros as the decimal places in the given number. Step 3. Now write the resulting fraction into lowest or simplest form. Example 4. Convert the following decimal numbers into fractional number. A. 2.6. B. 23.65. C. 52.125. D. 0.0000252. Solution. A. 2.6 is equals to 26 upon 10 is equals to 13 upon 5. B. 23.65 is equals to 2365 upon 100 is equals to 473 upon 20. C. 52.125 is equals to 52125 upon 1000 is equals to 417 upon 8. D is equals to 0.0000252 is equals to 252 is upon 1 lakh is equals to 63 upon 25 lakh. Exercise 6.1. Question 1. Convert the following into like decimals. A. 46.42, 4.3, 7.845. Answer 78. B. 0.56, 2.571, 3.5429. Answer 96. C. 174.76, 800.500, 28.2. Answer 30. D. 1.72, 12.026, 3.2. Answer 153. Question 2. Compare greater than, less than, equals to the following decimal numbers. A. 28.76, 27.76. B. 176.54, 200.90. C. 50.05, 50.50. D. 21.280, 21.28. E. 1283.546, 1283.549. F. 389.59, 389.68. Question 3. Convert the following fraction into decimal numbers. A. 28.10, 2.8. B. 632 upon 1000, 0.632. C. 4 upon 10,000, 0.004. D. 28745 upon 100, 287.45. E. 7642 upon 1000, 7.642. F. 702 upon 10, 70.2. Question 4. Convert the following decimal numbers into fractional number. A. 3.8, 38 upon 10. B. 28.75, 2875 upon 100. C. 125.565, 125.565 upon 1000. D. 28.3208, 28.3208 upon 10,000. E. 0.000755, 755 upon 10,000. F. 0.000012, 12 upon 10 lakh. Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Step 1. Convert the given decimal numbers into like decimal numbers. Step 2. Now perform the normal addition or subtraction operation. Solved example. Example 1. Add 28.75, 481.32, 2.78. Solution. 28.75 plus 481.32 plus 2.78 is equals to 512.85. Example 2. Add rupees 4.35, rupees 78.6, rupees 291.05, rupees 308.586. Solution. Convert the given unlike decimals into like decimals. Rupees 4.350 rupees 78.600, rupees 291.050, rupees 308.586. Example 3. Subtract 146.278 from 259.99. Solution. Convert the given unlike decimals into like decimals. We get 259.99 minus 146.278 is equals to 113.712. Example 4. Subtract 986.41 from 2491.992. Solution. Convert the given unlike decimals into like decimals. We get 2491.992 minus 986.410 is equals to 1505.582. Exercise 6.2. Question 1. Add the following: A. 28.75, 4.61, 291.20. Answer 426. B. 489.68, 2.7, 3.95, 48.61. Answer 842. C. 7.32, 4.05, 28.736, 43.95. Answer 960. D. 270.009, 48.7, 93.27, 2.008. Answer 842. Question 2. Find the sum of the following: A. 76.25, rupees 20, rupees 3.36, rupees 125.123. B. 42.95 kg, 83.9 kg, 52 kg, 32.62 kg. C. 1045.20 km, 28.62.1 km, 387.095 km. D. 47.92 meter, 96.53 meter, 285.9 meter, 72 meter. Question 3. Find the difference. A. 17.25 minus 10.8. B. 458.289 minus 458. C. 1246.28 minus 734.729. D. 340.65 minus 120.429. Question 4. Subtract. A. 280.56 gram minus 120.4 gram. B. Rupees 450.50 minus rupees 320.25. C. 4.95 centimeter minus 2.6 centimeter. D. 279.4 kg minus 100 kg. E. 73.435 liter minus 62.20 liter. F. Rupees 80.15 minus rupees 72.125. G. 74.67 meter minus 60.49 meter. H. 60.50 kilogram minus 54.65 kilogram. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. Step 1. Take the given number as whole numbers. Remove the decimal or point and then multiply them. Step 2. Count the number of decimal places in both the number from the ones place digit. Step 3. Place the decimal in the product after taking the equal number of decimal places in both the numbers. Solved example. Example 1. Multiply 28.7 by 5. Solution. First we multiply 287 by 5. The given decimal number has one decimal place, so the product will have one decimal place. 28.7 into 5 is equals to 143.5. Example 2. Multiply 48.65 by 29. Solution. First we multiply 4865 by 29. The given decimal number has two decimal places, so the product will have two decimal places. 48.65.29 is equals to 1410.85. Example 3. Multiply 3.852 by 149. Solution. First we multiply 3852 by 149. The given decimal number has three decimal places, so the product will have three decimal places. 3.852 into 149 is equals to 573.948. Multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Example 4. Multiply. A. 278.5 into 10. B. 32.956 into 100. C. 48.7625 into 1000. What do you observe? Solution A. 278.5 into 10 is equals to 2785 upon 10 into 10 is equals to 2785. B. 32.956 into 100. 32.956 upon 1000 into 1000 is equals to 32956 upon 10 is equals to 3295.6. C. 48.7625 into 1000. 487625 upon 10.000 into 1000 is equals to 487625 upon 10 is equals to 48762.5. Observation. Step 1. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, then the point moves to the right by 1's place. Step 2. When a decimal number is multiplied by 100, then the point moves to the right by the 2 places. Step 3. When a decimal number is multiplied by 1000, then the point moves to the right by 3 places, and so on. Multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Example 5. Multiply 3.67 by 5.2. Solution. First, we multiply 367 by 52. Sum of decimal places in given decimal is equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the product will have 3 decimal places. 3.67 into 5.2 is equals to 19.084. Example 6. Multiply 4.65 by 8.47. Solution. First, we multiply 465 by 847. Sum of the decimal places in given decimal 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So the product will have 4 decimal places. 4.65 into 8.47 equals to 39.3855. Example 7. Multiply 42.5 by 0.56. Solution. First, we multiply 42.5 by 56. Sum of decimal places in given decimal 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So the product will have 3 decimal places. 42.5 into 0.56 equals to 23.800 or 23.8. Example 8. Multiply 242.53 by 4.356. Solution. First, we multiply 24,253 by 4,356. Sum of decimal places and given decimals 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Sum of the product will have 5 decimal places. 242.53 into 0.356 equals to 1056.460.68. Example 9. Multiply 0.0021 by 0.07. Solution. First, we multiply 20 by 7. Sum of decimal places in given decimal 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So the product will have 6 decimal places. 0.0021 into 0.07 equals to 0.000147. Example 10. Find the continuate product. 4.56 into 3.4 into 0.58. Solution. Let us first find the product of 456 into 34 into 0.58. Sum of decimal places in given decimals 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 5. So the product will have 5 decimal places. 4.56 into 3.4 into 0.58 equals to 8.99232. Exercise 6.3. Question 1. Multiply. A. 365.5 into 4. B. 28.652 into 26. C. 234.650 into 150. D. 386.27 into 293. E. 2.38 into 6.5. F. 7.642 into 2 into 8. G. 273.64 into 92.6. H. 196.52 into 1.53. I. 17.326 into 2.8. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. A. 28.56 into 10. B. 73.545 into 10. C. 73.64 into 100. D. 0.54 into 100. Question 3. Find the continuate product. A. 0.5 into 1.6 into 2.59. B. 10.5 into 6.8 into 3.59. C. 2.74 into 1.3 into 0.56. D. 1.73 into 8.6 into 0.9. E. 0.273 into 4.5 into 0.8. F. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Division of decimal numbers. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. Step 1. Perform the division operation by considering the dividend as a whole number. Step 2. When the division of whole number part of the dividend is complete, then insert the decimal in the question and proceed the divisions in case of whole numbers. Solved example. Example 1. Divide 34.412 by 14. Solution. 34.412 divided by 14 equals to 2.458. Example 2. Divide 0.5978 by 7. Solution. 0.5978 divided by 7 equals to 0.0854. Example 3. Divide 4.935 by 7. Solution. 4.935 divided by 7 equals to 0.705. Example 4. Divide 48.65 by 25. Solution. Now 1 0 inserted. 48.65 divided by 25 equals to 1.946. Example 5. Divide 58.944 by 8. Solution. 58.944 divided by 8 equals to 7.368. Remember, sometimes the remainder obtained is non-zero. In such cases, insert as many zeros as required to the right of the decimal part of the dividend so as to get the last remainder zero. Example 6. Divide 217.44 by 18. Solution. 217.44 divided by 18 equals to 12.08. Example 7. Divide 1.8 by 24. Solution. 2 zeros added. 1.8 divided by 24 equals to 0.075. Example 8. Divide 0.04 by 8. Solution. 1 0 added. 0.04 divided by 8 equals to 0.005. Exercise 6.4. Divide 1. 128.25 divided by 15. 2. 364.48 divided by 8. 3. 3676.26 divided by 42. 4. 1033.44 divided by 12. 5. 0.262 divided by 5. 6. 1.905 divided by 75. 7. 8.128 divided by 32. 9. 43.128 divided by 12. 10. 7.155 divided by 9. 11. 112.38 divided by 8. 12. 1.877 divided by 25. 13. 0.018 divided by 6. 14. 1.001 divided by 14. 15. 0.04 divided by 5. Division of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Rule: when a decimal number is divided by 10, 100, 1000, etc., then the point moves to the left by 1, 2, 3, etc. places respectively. Solved example. Example 1. Divide the following: A. 86.5 divided by 10. B. 4632.128 divided by 100. C. 28.5002 divided by 1000. Solution: A. 86.5 divided by 10. 86.5 upon 10 divided by 10. 865 divided by 10 into 1 upon 10 equals to 865 upon 100 equals to 8.65. B. 4632.128 divided by 100. 4632128 divided by 1000 divided by 100. 4632128 upon 1000 into 1 upon 100. 4632128 divided by 1 lakh is equals to 46.32128. C. 28.5002 divided by 1000. 28.5002 upon 10,000 divided by 1000 equals to 28.5002 upon 10,000 into 1 upon 1000 is equals to 28.5002 upon lakh is equals to 0.02850002. Division of decimal numbers by multiplies of 10, 100, 1000, etc. like 20, 30, 90, 100, 200, 900, 1000, 2000, 9000. Example 2. Divide 285.33 by 30. Solution: 285.33 divided by 30 equals to 285.33 upon 3 into 10 equals to 285.33 upon 3 into 1 upon 10. Now 95.11 upon 10 equals to 9.511. Hence 285.33 divided by 30 equals to 9.511. Example 3. Divide 4856.25 by 5000. Solution: 4856.25 upon 5000 equals to 4856.25 upon 5 into 1000 is equals to 4856.25 upon 5 into 1 upon 1000. 4856.25 divided by 5 equals to 971.25. Now 971.25 upon 1000 equals to 0.97125. Hence 4856.25 divided by 5000 equals to 0.97125. Example 4. Divide 18.08 by 400. Solution: 18.08 upon 400 equals to 18.08 upon 4 into 100 equals to 18.08 upon 4 into 1 upon 100. Now 4.52 upon 100 equals to 0.0452. Hence 18.08 divided by 400 equals to 0.0452. Exercise 6.5. Divide 1. 28.79 divided by 10. 2. 13.26 divided by 600. 3. 76.25 divided by 1000. 4. 2.745 divided by 1000. 5. 2.465 divided by 800. 6. 72.642 divided by 20. 7. 136.142 divided by 2000. 8. 12.15 divided by 300. 9. 23.2 divided by 4000. 10. 650.3 divided by 7000. 11. 0.769 divided by 10. 12. 182.65 divided by 5000. Division of a decimal number by a decimal number. Solved example. Example 1. 33.6 divided by 4.2. Solution: 36.10 divided by 42 upon 10. 336 upon 10 divided by 10 upon 2 equals to 8. So 33.6 divided by 4.2 equals to 8. Example 2. 2.340 divided by 1.56. Solution: 2340 upon 1000 divided by 156 upon 100 equals to 2340 upon 1000 into 100 upon 156 equals to 234 upon 156 equals to 178 upon 88. 117 upon 78 upon 1.5. So 2.340 divided by 1.56 equals to 1.5. Example 3. Divide 56.192 by 3.2. Solution: we have 56.192 upon 3.2 into 10 by 10 equals to 561.92 upon 32. Hence 56.192 divided by 3.2 equals to 17.56. Example 4. Divide 0.0028 divided by 0.7. Solution: we have 0.0028 divided by 0.7 equals to 0.0028 upon 0.7 into 10 upon 10 equals to 0.028 upon 7. Hence 0.0028 divided by 0.7 equals to 0.004. Example 5. Divide 0.00216 divided by 0.27. Solution: we have 0.00216 divided by 0.27 equals to 0.00216 upon 0.27 into 100 by 100 equals to 0.216 upon 27. Hence 0.00216 divided by 0.27 equals to 0.008. Exercise 6.6. Divide 1. 13.6 divided by 1.62. 188.5 divided by 253. 267.7112 divided by 3.264. 6.3168 divided by 0.14. 5. 2.618 divided by 0.05. 6. 0.6816 divided by 1.2. 7. 2.9484 divided by 0.78. 8. 11.47 divided by 0.031. 9. 0.00876 divided by 0.219. 10. 0.024 divided by 0.4. 11. 0.0018 divided by 0.09. 12. 0.169 divided by 1.3. 13. 21.976 divided by 1.64. 14. 0.0102 divided by 1.7. 15. 0.228 divided by 0.38. 16. 0.8085 divided by 0.35. 17. 2.0484 divided by 0.18. 18. 0.0108 divided by 0.0009. 19. 917.8 divided by 0.13. 20. 3.287 divided by 1.9. Division of a whole number by a decimal number. Rule: convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the dividend and the divisor, numerator and denominator by 10 or 100 or 1000, etc., depending upon the number of decimal places in the divisor. Solved example. Example 1. Divide 48 by 0.08. Solution: 48 divided by 0.08 equals to 48 upon 0.08 equals to 48 into 100 upon 0.08 into 100 equals to 4800 upon 8 equals to 600. So 48 divided by 0.08 equals to 600. Example 2. Divide 720 by 0.16. Solution: 720 divided by 0.16 equals to 720 upon 0.16 equals to 720 into 100 upon 0.16 into 100. 72,000 upon 16 equals to 4,500 equals to 720 divided by 0.16 equals to 4,500. Exercise 6.7. Divide 1. 7 divided by 0.14. 2. 169 divided by 0.13. 3. 540 divided by 1.2. 4. 600 divided by 480. 5. 12 divided by 0.006. 6. 684 divided by 1.5. 7. 54 divided by 0.6. 8. 999 divided by 0.009. 9. 26 divided by 3.25. 10. 7 divided by 0.028. 11. 42 divided by 0.025. 12. 3 divided by 0.25. Conversion of fractional number into decimal numbers. Solved example. Example 1. Convert the following fraction into decimal numbers. A. 3 upon 5. B. 2. 4 upon 5. Solution: A. 3 upon 5. 3 divided by 5. 3 upon 5 equals to 0.6. B. 2. 4 upon 5 equals to 14 upon 5 equals to 14 divided by 5. 14 upon 5 equals to 2 upon 8. Exercise 6.8. Convert the following fractions into decimal numbers. 1. 1 upon 2. 2. 2 upon 8. 3. 4 upon 5. 4. 4 1 upon 4. 5 4. 3 upon 5. 6. 12 3 upon 6. 7. 16 8 upon 25. 8. 9 9 upon 20. 9. 17 upon 20. 10. 3 7 upon 20. 11. 8. 9 upon 20. 12. 15 upon 32. Word problems. Example 1. Shreya went to the market. She purchased a pen costing rupees 32.50 and razor costing rupees 6.25, a lunch box costing rupees 120.60 and a pencil box costing rupees 62.75. What is the total amount of money spent by her? Solution: cost of a pen rupees 32.50, cost of an eraser rupees 6.25, cost of a lunch box rupees 120.60, cost of a pencil box rupees 62.75. Total money she spent rupees 222.10. Hence Shreya spent rupees 222.10. Example 2. The sum of two numbers is 196.45. If one number is 80.20, find the other number. Solution: sum of two numbers 96.45, one number 80.20, other number 6.25. Hence the other number is 116.25. Example 3. cost of 1 kg sugar is 45.65. What is the cost of 8 kg sugar? Solution. Cost of 1 kg sugar equals to rupees 45.65. Cost of 8 kg sugar equals to rupees 45.65 into 8 is equals to rupees 365.20. Hence, cost of 8 kg sugar is rupees 365.20. Example 4. The product of two number is 560.48. If one number is 45.2, find the other number. Solution. Product of two number equals to 560.48. One number 45.2, other number 560.48 divided by 45.2 equals to 12.4. Exercise 6.9. Question 1. Radha weighs 55.42 kg. She gains 12.35 kg more weight. What is her weight now? Question 2. Mr. Raj covered 4,160.580 km by aeroplane, 840.26 km by train and 180.520 km by bus. What is the total distance covered by Mr. Raj? Question 3. Lalu Ram has 84.91 liter milk. He sold 60.83 liter milk. How much milk is left with him now? Question 4. Mrs. Sharma earns rupees 8,950.95 monthly. What is her annual salary? Question 5. If 12 meter of ribbon costs rupees 547.56, what is the cost of 1 meter of ribbon? Question 6. The cost of one chocolate is rupees 14.65. Find the cost of 48 such chocolates. Question 7. The cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 40.65. What will be the cost of 12.6 meters of rope? Question 8. The total cost of 57 calculators is rupees 21,982.05. What is the cost of one calculator? Question 9. The weight of 37 bags of rice is 3644.5 kg. If all the bags weigh equally, what is the weight of each bag? Question 10. If 61 buckets of equal capacity can be filled with 518.5 liters of oil, what is the capacity of each bucket? Think wisely. Question 1. What is the difference in the place value of 5 in 35.35? Question 2. The population of a city increases by the rate of 10% annually. If its present population is 60,000, find its population a year from now. Mental math. Write T for true and F for false statement. 1. 49.39 is called a decimal and the dot is a decimal point. 2. 191 plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000 is written as 191.345. 3. 0.009 is read as 0.09. 4. In 18.10 the whole part is 18 and the decimal part is 10. 5. In 47.32 the whole number part is 47 and the decimal part is 32. Maths lab activity. Materials required: squared paper and colored sketch pens. Steps: 1. Divide yourself in group of 4. 2. Choose a leader to conduct the activity. 3. Each group is given 2 sheets of squared paper and sketch pens. 4. The leader calls a group and they start the activity. This group is asked to shade different portions of the squared papers and count the colored portions in both the sheets. 5. There are say 60 in figure 1 and 68 in figure 2. 6. The performing group is asked to express the shaded portion in fraction and decimal as shown below. Serial number, fraction, decimal. Figure 1, 60 upon 100, 0.60. Figure 2, 68 upon 100, 0.68. 7. The other group will be asked to make different combination. Find out fraction and convert those into decimals.